Now, let's just talk about encapsulation. Basically, we will have an example before I explain what is encapsulation, and then the example will tell you why we need it. Let's just say in this example, we have this package called SendGrid, and we have to send email. So when we have new users, we have to welcome them by an email. And also we will use SendGrid for other purposes right here inside the files. Also, maybe we will use the same package right here to reset the password and for two-factor authentication. Now, let's just say we decided to use another package instead of SendGrid, maybe MailJet. Now, this MailJet has different functions. It doesn't have send email. Instead, they have mail sent, and I have to change it right here. Also, the input right here is different. I cannot insert the from. Maybe I should remove it. Also, I have to go to the other file where I had this, and I have to remove it right here. I have to change it here, and I have to change it right here as well. Also, the name of the package is MailJet right now, and also in the two-factor authentication right here, we have to change it. So this is a lot of suffering. I have to change it everywhere. So, and this is where encapsulation comes. Now, I created this module. It's called sending, and inside the sending, I have exactly the same structure as the other modules, but I created this module for sending. And now, first of all, it's easier to understand our module. We can have all the functions related to the email sending inside one module. This is first of all. Secondly, in the future, when to change something, I will need to change it only right here. And here I can remove everything. And after I removed everything, I can add the module of the email sent. Now you can see, first of all, our code is simpler. And now, if we needed to change the package again, we should change it only here. Now, let's just say we need to use salary to send the emails instead of doing it in this way. So we will not need to change anything here again, and we can just modify our module right here to integrate salary. Now we are integrated salary just like this without touching our original function. So the function will stay the same. The input and the output will also stay the same all the time. So the benefits of encapsulation is, first of all, to make smaller functions that are easier to understand by ourselves. And also it will be easier to understand by other developers. And so it will be easy to introduce our code to someone else. This is first of all. Secondly, it will cut down a lot of suffering in the future, and it will help us to easily scale our project. Just like we saw right here, we added a salary, we changed the package and everything without touching anything on the actual code that we have here.